Hello everyone, as a programmer you might have a favorite editor and you can use that for this course and there is no need for shifting. But in this video I am here to show you some of the best IDEs. Now the first one is PHP Storm. I will personally use this throughout the course, and you can search PHP Storm and click on this download link, but it is not a free IDE. So you can download it for your operating system, Windows, Mac or Linux, and you can also try a 30-day trial. The second one is the Visual Studio Code, which is a pre-IDE. So Google search Visual Studio Code and download. Click on this download Visual Studio Code and you can download it for your operating system. Third one is the Sublime text, and this one is also free. So search Sublime text on the Google and click on this download link and you can download it for your operating system. So download your favorite IDE and install it, and that's it for this class now. Okay, bye, thanks.